Hi and welcome to Tableau 101. Today I want to show you how you can build your first dashboard. And we can start off with really anything. This is how your sheet will look like when you start off with basically nothing. And then you can start double clicking on any of the table measures, on the table dimensions or measures. And in this example, what we do is we just throw in region. And then what else can we do? Sales. So now we have sales by region. Maybe we also want the actual sales date, order date. So then we have the regional sales by year, and we can then duplicate that sheet and turn the other sheet into a bar chart, right? So then we go to here. I don't know if you can see that. It's basically the new dashboard. So we open this up, and our last two sheets were 20 and 22. So we can then just double click them. And here we have our first dashboards. We can arrange them a bit. So I prefer to have the bars on top. So you can just drag it here. So when you hold the sheet, it'll show you where it'll be placed. And the color legend here, and then adjust the size a bit. Then you can also make this sheet to fit the width, so it'll be displayed all the way up. And you can also create a little title for your dashboard, which you can see here, dashboard, and then show title. And then you can right click on it and give it a name. I like to centralize the names. First dashboard. And voila, there's your first dashboard. I hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video.